It's go time.
Yeah,
6:20.
Okay. This is the palmar aponeurosis, and there's a little muscle that would come across here called palmaris brevis. Don't worry about it. Okay. On the first layer on this surface of the hand, we have the hypothenar compartment and we have the thenar compartment. The thenar compartment has the abductor pollicis brevis and flexor pollicis brevis. X is abductor pollicis brevis, V is flexor pollicis brevis, and underneath here we have W, which is opponens pollicis. On this side we have the counterpart. We have abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, and opponens digiti minimi. The thenar compartment is going to be innervated by the recurrent median nerve. The hypothenar compartment is going to be innervated by the deep ulnar nerve. The ulnar nerve comes down here with the ulnar artery. The ulnar nerve does a three-way split. It becomes the dorsal ulnar cutaneous, the superficial ulnar, which becomes common and proper palmar digitals, and the deep ulnar, which we're going to meet in the next layer down. Here we have flexor digitorum superficialis on top of flexor digitorum profundus. If you see these two muscles here, flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor digitorum profundus. And coming out of profundus, we have these four lumbricals. Lumbricals allow you to flex your MCPs while extending your interphalangeals. So lumbrical, tendon, lumbrical, tendon, lumbrical, tendon, lumbrical. There should be another tendon there, but it's evidently not there. So we have the superficial palmar arch is the artery giving off common and proper palmar digitals. We've got the branches of the median nerve, which become common and proper palmar digitals. Next layer down on the palmar surface of the hand, we have the deep ulnar nerve, which has come through the tunnel of Guillain, is coming across the bottom of the hand here. The ulnar nerve is responsible for innervation of a majority of the hand. We have the deep palmar arch, which is coming from the other direction. So we've got deep ulnar nerve, deep palmar arch. The deep palmar arch is giving off metacarpal arteries. These muscles are palmar interossei. You have three palmar interossei, which will adduct the digits. And this muscle is the adductor pollicis. We come around to the back side of the hand here. We've got the superficial radial nerve innervating the skin on the back of the hand, as well as the dorsal ulnar cutaneous coming from the other direction. We have dorsal interossei. Those are the only muscle bellies on the back of the hand, and the one that you must differentiate as the first dorsal interossei. So the two muscles that make up the web of the hand are the adductor pollicis and the first dorsal interossei. As we encounter the tendons here, we've got the tendon of extensor carpi ulnaris, the tendon of extensor digiti minimi, the tendon of extensor digitorum, the tendon of extensor indices. We've got the tendon of extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, abductor pollicis longus. They're going to be coming underneath the extensor retinaculum, which is this one here. As we work our way around the thumb, we're going to go around the world on the thumb here. We go around the world on the thumb. You don't go there, you go there. We start with, on the back side, first dorsal interossei, extensor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, abductor pollicis longus, abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis longus, adductor pollicis, opponens pollicis. So that's it for the hand.